Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select the Start GLB model, drag and drop into composition, and let's go to view 1 and press S, change scale and move to down. Okay, we can change scale more and back to active camera. Let's move to up and press R, chain rotation. Also Z rotation. Okay, so in this time let's press S, change scale more. I will use 3 like these stars. And press S, let's change scale 0 and go to first second. Let's create scale keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shotgun you can press hold shift, press page down keyboard and change scale 10. Let's see. Okay, go to 10 keyframes again. Let's write here 6. Again, go to 10 keyframes, write 8. And again 10 keyframes, 7. And make it keyframes easy. Or click F9. Let's see. Okay, in this time, let's hold shift, press P and create new position keyframe. Move to left for first second and go to here and move to down. Let's see. Okay, go to next keyframe. Let's move to up. Again, go to next keyframes. Move to down. Let's move to like this. Again, 10 keyframes. Move to up. Again, 10 keyframes. Move to down. And again, moved up. And make the keyframes easy. Preview animation. Okay, so select scale keyframes, hold Alt and move to right. Also can move to right like this. Okay, that's good. And select the last scale keyframe. Let's move to left. Nice. So select the star, hold shift, press R, open rotation, and I will use Y rotation and X rotations. Let's go to first second, create X rotation first and change rotation like this. And go to 10 keyframes, chain rotation to right, again 10 keyframes, move to left, again 10 keyframes, move to right, and again move to left, and again move to right. And make the keyframes easy. Preview animation. Nice. And here let's go to some keyframes, change to left, again go to here, change to right. Okay. So in this time also let's go to first second, create Z rotation, and next keyframe with chain rotation like this. Go to here, change to right, again here to left, and here. Okay, preview animation. Okay, select rotation keyframes, make it easiest and hold Alt, move to right for random keyframes. Nice. So in this time select this star, let's press P for show only position keyframes. Go to last position keyframe and enable title action save. Select position keyframes and move to left. Okay, and select this star, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right this layer. Press P, select again all position keyframes. Go to last position keyframe and move to right. Let's move to left like this. Okay, and again select star. Let's change name 2 and this 1. And select star 2, Ctrl D for duplicate, move to right, press P, select position keyframes, go to last position keyframe and move to right. Let's see. That's good. Very nice. So let's create new null object and select the 3 stars. Link to null object. Select null and press P. Move to center like this. Okay. So we can delete null object and close these start settings. So guys, let's add plane. Go to 3D shape elements and choose plane. And let's create plane like this. Go to preview 1 and press R. Chain rotation minus 90 and move to here. Let's back to active camera. Okay, and press S, change scale. And let's add lights. Right click, new and light. Light type, I will use environment and enable cat shadows. Click OK. So now we can see shadows here. Let's see. Okay, my shadows is bad quality because I use quarter quality. So choose this Studio EXR environment image. Let's drag and drop into composition and hide. Go to environment light. Choose here search studio. And here we go. We can see reflections, lights, and let's open light transform. We can control transform here like this or X rotation. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So also we can use intensity light settings for more light and shadow of darkness. We can control shadow of color. Okay, that's good. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.